Now, children, today we will discuss the PMI topic of the statement, which is a kind of inequalities. Earlier, we discussed type 2, which is in the form of for all n belongs to n, prove that by PMI, n plus 1, n plus 5 is multiple of 3. These so many questions are in in exercise 4.1, question number 19 to 23. And the type 1 was that kind of questions that are from question number 1 to 16, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 to the power n is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. These two types earlier we discussed. Now today I will explain inequalities kind of question. Now how that question will appear, children, now just see. In exercise 4.1, question number 24, or question number 1 question is also given, that is question number 18, I think so. The question number 18 is, for all n belongs to natural number, prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is less than under bracket 2n plus 1 ka whole square upon 8. Now just see, children, here not equals to sign is given here. Therefore method is little bit different. Okay, so now just I am explaining the method how to do it. Now again to check the inequality, the statement 3 steps are same as we did earlier for all questions. Therefore the first is, let given the statement be denoted by Pn as usual. Pn is equals to this one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n less than 2n plus 1 ka whole square by 8. Now what we have to do? We put n is equals to 1. Here for n is equals to 1, we have p of 1. What is the first term of this one? 1. And here in this RHS you have to put n is equals to 1. It will give you 9 by 8. So definitely 1 is less than 9 by 8. This for n is equals to 1 is true because it fulfills the given inequalities. Therefore P1 is true statement. Now as usual for Pk, we assume that Pk is true for some natural number k. Therefore in place of n we have to write down k. So Pk is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k less than 2k plus 1 ka whole square by 8. Now what we have to do? We shall now prove Pk plus 1. What is Pk plus 1? Pk plus 1 is equals to the same pattern from 1 to k is as it is, plus the next term will be as per this pattern k plus 1 in LHS, less than 2k plus 1 ka whole square. In place of k, here the term will be k plus 1. So 2 under bracket k plus 1 whole ka whole square upon 8. Okay, when you solve this, it will give you 2k plus 3 ka whole square upon 8. Now children, what we did earlier, we are going to replace from 1 to k this value by taking help of Pk. Now here, since it is inequality, so many values are there. Therefore we cannot put from 1 to k is 2k plus 1 ka whole square upon 8. Therefore this is the slight difference between earlier question and this kind of inequalities. Now what you have to do, you have to take the true statement, and here we have the true statement is only Pk. Okay, so considering this statement, just see here, this is your Pk and this whole statement is true statement. Therefore we have to take Pk. Pk is there. Now in k plus 1, just see what you have to prove. 1 to k plus 1, but here it is 1 to k only. Therefore adding both side k plus 1, so that LHS of Pk plus 1 will be equal. So adding both side k plus 1, the sign of inequalities remains same because this is a positive number. Okay, now so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1, and here 2k plus 1 का whole square is 4k square plus 1 plus 4k upon 8 plus k plus 1. Taking LCM, it will be 8k plus 8. So LHS is your PK, and then we need to solve RHS also. Here RHS is 4k square plus 12k plus 9 upon 8, and this one will be your 2k plus 3 ka whole square upon 8. Okay, so therefore Pn is true statement. Getting this point? 2k plus 3 ka whole square upon 8, and this here just see your RHS 2k plus 3 ka whole square upon 8. Therefore this sign of inequalities for pk plus 1 is also true. Hence by PMI, Pn is true statement. This way you have to do the questions of inequalities. Now I am explaining the last question of NCERT, that is your question number 24. For all n belongs to n, prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus n square is greater than n cube by 3. Same as for P1 and Pk, let the given statement be denoted by Pn. Pn is equals to this one, whole statement is written here. N is equals to 1, that means 1 square, and here 1 cube by 3, it is 1 by 3. So 1 is greater than 1 by 3, therefore P1 is true statement. Now we assume that Pk is true for some natural number. In place of n you have to put k. So Pk will be 1 square, 2 square plus k square is greater than k cube by 3. Now what we have to do? We have to prove k plus 1. What will be the k plus 1? 1 square, 2 square up to k square plus. Following this pattern, this k will be k plus 1 ka whole square is greater than k plus 1 ka whole cube by 3. Now we cannot take LHS of pk plus 1 because this is your inequality. We have to take the true statement, and true statement is pk. So as per it's not equation 1, as per the term 1, because it is inequalities, from the as per this statement, 1 square, 2 square plus k square is greater than k cube by 3. Now in k plus 1, what we need? That is k plus 1 ka whole square. Adding both side, k plus 1 ka whole square. Sign of inequalities remains unchanged. This is your whole LHS of pk plus 1. We need to solve this one. K cube plus 3 k plus 1 ka whole square upon 3. It will give you k 3k square plus 6k plus 3. Okay. Now children, just see here, this is not equals to this one, and we need to prove this one is greater than this one. Then definitely if this one is greater than this one and this one is greater than this one, so automatically this will be greater than this. You have to take this kind of logic. Okay, so k cube plus 3k square plus 6k plus 3 upon 3. This has come while we do calculation. Now we need only this term. This term is less than this one because here k cube plus 3k square plus 6k plus 3, and we need k cube plus 3k square plus 3k plus 1. It is less than. So this term is greater than this one. So if this is greater than this one and this is greater than this one, definitely this will be greater than this one. That logic is written here. Therefore pk plus 1 is true statement. Hence by PMI, this statement is true. These two questions are given in your exercise 4.1, inequalities based question. Okay, now next question is given in your example of chapter 4, and that is also very important question for your exam. Just see that question. For all n belongs to natural number, prove that 1 plus x whole to the power n is greater than equals to 1 plus nx, where x is greater than minus 1. Now let given the statement is considered as Pn is this one, put n is equals to 1, तो 1 plus 1 का power n 1 plus x to the power 1 is greater than equals to 1 plus 1 into x. So 1 plus x is equals to 1 plus x because this inequality is greater than equals to. It is equal, therefore P1 is true statement. Now we assume that Pk is true for some natural number. So Pk is 1 plus x to the power k is greater than 1 plus kx. Same in terms of n, in place of n you have to put only k, and this is your true statement. Now what we shall prove? We have to prove Pk plus 1 is also true. What will be the Pk plus 1? 1 plus x to the power k plus 1 is greater than 1 plus k plus 1 under bracket into x. Now for proving this kind of question, since it is inequality, we have to take the true statement. True statement is Pk, which is 1 plus x to the power k is greater than equals to 1 plus kx. Now Pk plus 1 is 1 plus x to the power k plus 1. That means definitely we have to multiply on both sides by 1 plus x. Multiplied both sides, this one will be 1 plus x to the power k plus 1, and do multiplication of these two factors, it will give you 1 plus kx plus x plus kx square. Now again we have to take the logic. Why? Because we need to prove only 1 plus kx plus x, and here the term is extra term is appearing here, that is kx square. Now just see children, k is greater than 0 because it is natural number, and x square is also be greater than 0 or equals to 0. So definitely 1 plus kx plus x plus kx square is greater than equals to 1 plus kx plus x, because kx square is always, it will give you always the value greater than equals to 0. That I have written here. And when you take x as a common, it will be k plus 1. Therefore kx square is always be greater than equals to 0. Hence 1 plus x to the power k plus 1 is greater than equals to 1 plus x k plus 1. This is greater than this one, and this is greater than this one. Hence this one will be greater than this one. Hence by PMI, Pn is a true statement. Okay. Now the last question of chapter 4. For all n belongs to natural number, prove that 2 to the power n plus 1 greater than 2n plus 1. Here not equals to sign is given here, children, mind it. Let the given statement be denoted by Pn as usual. Pn is 2 to the power n plus 1 greater than 2n plus 1. Put n is equals to 1. We have 2 to the power 1 plus 1. That means 4. And here your RHS is 2 into 1 plus 1. That is 3. So 4 is greater than 3. That means P1 is your true statement. For Pk, we assume Pk is a true statement. That means Pk is equals to 2 to the power k plus 1 is greater than 2k plus 1. Now we shall prove Pk plus 1 is also true. Okay. So here your Pk plus 1 is 2 to the power, in place of k it will be k plus 1 plus 1 greater than 2 under bracket k plus 1 plus 1. Now from first, because we need to take the right statement, and that is 2 to the power k plus 1 is greater than 2k plus 1. We need 2 to the power k plus 2, and here we have only k plus 1. That means definitely we need to multiply both sides by 2. So 2 into 2 to the power k plus 1 is greater than 2 into 2k plus 1. Base is same, power is added. 2 to the power k plus 2 is greater than 4k plus 2. Definitely 4k plus 2 is greater than 2k plus 3. So this one is greater than this one, and this one is greater than this one. Therefore this 2 to the power k plus 2 is greater than 2k plus 3. Hence Pk plus 1 is true statement. Therefore by PMI, Pn is true statement. This way children, chapter 4 is finished. I have explained all 3 types of questions that are in chapter 4 to prove by PMI the following statement. If you are facing any problem, you will ask your query. Okay, thank you.